What to expect after purchasing a digital marketing course. After purchasing a digital marketing course, expect to gain a comprehensive understanding of online marketing strategies, including social media advertising, email marketing, content creation, analytics, and website optimization, allowing you to develop skills to create and manage digital campaigns, analyze data, and implement strategies to reach target audiences, potentially leading to career opportunities in digital marketing or enhancing your current marketing role. The specific learning experience will depend on the course structure, but most will include theoretical knowledge, practical exercises, and potentially access to industry tools and platforms to practice your new skills. Key aspects to expect: in-depth learning modules, a structured curriculum covering core digital marketing concepts like SEO, search engine optimization, PPC, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and web analytics. Hands-on practice, opportunities to learn concepts through real-world case studies, projects, and assignments using relevant digital marketing tools and platforms. Instructor guidance, access to experienced instructors or mentors who can provide feedback, answer questions, and guide you through the learning process. Data analysis and reporting, learning how to interpret data from analytics platforms to measure campaign performance and make informed adjustments. Industry trends updates, exposure to current digital marketing trends and best practices to stay relevant in the field. Potential for certification. Some courses may offer a completion certificate upon successful completion, which can be valuable for your resume. Depending on the course format and your goals, you may also experience community interaction, online forums or discussion groups to connect with fellow students and share insights. Live webinars or sessions, interactive learning experiences with instructors and guest speakers. Networking opportunities, potential to connect with industry professionals through the course platform.